Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking.
Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. Said by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Come on, let us traverse through one such modern Nalanda, Alvin International Public School.
Alvin International Public School at Padappai is a dream school of our founder chairman, Dr. N. Vijayan. It is located in the heart of the Kanchipuram district at the outskirts of the Chennai metropolitan city, Tamil Nadu, India.
The school dwells under a canopy of greenery with a fabulous infrastructure and an amazing ambience. The aerial view of this authentic building is definitely a paradise on earth.
What's the motto of our school?
Learn to lead.
Providing education in a holistic manner and ensuring excellence at the same time in all aspects is a hallmark of AIPS.
The ambience is so pleasing here. Good to be here.
It's very evident with their broad smile and a welcoming note to offer help at any time. It is the special feature of our administrative staff.
What do you do in times of depression?
I seek the help of my counselor. I do know that any child who requires counseling could step into the open room at any time of the day. We also have a qualified nurse in a well-equipped nurse room to take care of us at all times and assure our health. AIPS has set up a clinic in the school campus to attend any emergency.
Kids need to be equipped with positive self-talk just as much as anybody else. Of course, everyone has a different obstacle and a different situation, but there is a world here in our school. Every day is made into a masterpiece. As in every moment of our pre-primary classroom, we enjoy ourselves, and as we progress, we are groomed to face the challenges of tomorrow and to be socially relevant. We learn as we play. The massive play area enables the students to procure the necessary skills. Finally, I have learned one thing from my teachers. Being kind is never wasted.
Education helps children master core values. It provides a strong foundation for students to build a bright future.
Children listen to lessons, perform and work with hands-on materials.
Learning in the classroom, including visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and auditory digital to unlock the learning potential of all children. The library in AIPS is one of the biggest in the state, which is well stacked with more than 12,000 books on a wide range of fields to cater the requirements of the students. This is where my teachers taught me that even potatoes and lemons can be used to produce electricity.
I'm among those who think that science has great beauty. The physics, chemistry, biology and math labs are very spacious with modern facilities and equipped with the required materials for better understanding of the concepts. Our school provides well-trained teachers who integrate art, music and yoga as a part of the curriculum. This centrally air-conditioned hall with seating capacity of 700 people is apt to hold all school programs.
Play and physical education is an important part, and the school believes in all-round development of the students. The school has talented teams which are given regular practice, various outdoor games and indoor games.
I am Geeta. நான் வந்து இன்டர்நேஷனல் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஆஃப் பயோடெக்னாலஜி அண்ட் டாக்ஸிகாலஜி இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்டில் வந்து சயின்டிஸ்ட்டாக ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஆக்சுவலாக என்னுடைய குழந்தைக்கு அட்மிஷன் எல்கேஜிக்கு எங்கே சேர்க்கணும்னு பார்க்கும்போது எல்லா ஸ்கூல்லையுமே வந்து எல்லா எஜுகேஷன் கம்யூனிகேஷன் ஸ்கில்ஸ் எல்லாமே எல்லா ஸ்கூலில் கொடுப்பாங்க, அதில் எந்த டவுட்டும் கிடையாது. ஆனால் என்னை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ஒரு குழந்தை வாழ்க்கையில் முன்னேறணுன்னா முக்கியமான தேவை கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ். அந்த கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் எந்த ஸ்கூலில் கிடைக்குன்னு தான் நான் பார்த்தேன். அப்படி பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் ஆல்வின் ஸ்கூலில் படிக்கிற குழந்தைங்க எல்லாருமே இன்றைக்கி நல்ல நிலைமையில் இருக்காங்கன்னா படிப்பு ஒரு பக்கம் இருந்தாலும் கூட அவங்களுக்கு வாழ்க்கையில் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப முக்கியமான கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் லெவல். என்ன தான் எல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சாலும் கான்ஃபிடென்ஸ் இல்லைன்னா ஒரு குழந்தையால் வந்து முன்னேறவே முடியாது. அந்த தைரியத்தோடு தான் என்னுடைய குழந்தைய இந்த ஸ்கூலில் சேர்த்து என்னுடைய நம்பிக்கையை விட அதிகமாக என் குழந்தை இன்றைக்கி என் பிள்ளை வந்து நல்லா படிக்கிறத விட அவளுடைய டே டு டே ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் எல்லாமே எந்த ஒரு ஹெல்ப்பும் மற்றவங்கிட்ட எதிர்பார்க்காம அவளே கரெக்டாக பண்ணி முடிச்சிடா. அதை பார்க்கும்போது எனக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது. இந்த ஸ்கூலில் என் குழந்தை படிக்கிறத நினைக்கும் போது எனக்கு ரொம்ப பெருமையாக இருக்குது. ஆல்வின் ஸ்கூலுக்கும் ஆல்வின் ஸ்கூலோட சேர்மன் சார் விஜயன் சாருக்கும் பிரின்சிபல் மேம்க்கும் டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கும் டெடிக்கேட்டட் டீச்சர்ஸ்க்கும் என்னோட நன்றியை நான் இந்த நேரத்தில் தெரிவிச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப கடமைப்பட்டிருக்கேன்.
I'm Dr. Paulin, a psychologist. People ask me why I put my daughter in Alvin International Public School. I have all my reasons and proud to say that the school teaches the fear of God and respect for elders. They have a very good infrastructure and experienced and dedicated teachers. The school coaching is excellent. The school also identifies the talents and skills of the students and grooms them to bring out their full potential for a bright future. Thank you.
It is my honor to lead such an exciting and vibrant school. At Alvin International Public School, we work in collaboration with the parent and the student community. Our goal is to caringly carve global citizens who are foremost good human beings. We humbly believe that we are in the noblest profession and are chosen by the Lord Almighty Himself. At the helm, we have Dr. N. Vijayan, who is a National Best Teacher Awardee, to lead us by example. Our state-of-art facilities and team of dedicated teaching, non-teaching, along with the supportive staff, enables us to offer our students a conducive environment for learning. Our students have all the opportunities to become confident, respectful, patriotic, and critical thinkers bearing strong moral character. In a nutshell, holistic education in its truest form, which is a right of every child. Children with special needs are closest to our heart, as we perceive more opportunities for them to reach to higher levels in order to have a successful and satisfying place in the society. As the world is shrinking to become a global village, we at AIPS give an international flavor to the CBSE curriculum being followed. Students set their own bars for performance without any external pressure in academics, co-scholastic, extracurricular and sports arena. And they break their own records year after year as their performance improves towards excellence. Best educational practices coupled with latest technology and hands-on experience qualify our institution to be the most preferred contemporary school. For we believe parents should choose us not because they have no choice, but in spite of all the choices. Here students are never discouraged, parents are involved, and visitors are always welcomed. I look forward to give a qualitative and joyful educational experience for your children at Alvin International Public School. God bless you all.
It's my privilege to greet you and welcome you to visit our school website. I am Dr. N. Vijayan, the founder chairman and senior principal of all the 6 schools, which I established in the year 1986. I was in the Indian Air Force for a brief period. I took volunteer retirement only to become a teacher, which was my life's ambition. Right from childhood, my aim, ambition, and aspiration was to become a teacher. To fulfill this, I came out of the Air Force and started a small school with just 11 kids and 2 staff. I'm indeed proud to say the school's rather had vertical growth. Now it has over 20,000 children and more than 1,000 teaching staff. And to all the hard work that is put in, the sufferings, sacrifices that I made, it's a reward. For me, school is a temple of learning and teaching is the noblest service under the sky. Accordingly, the vision and mission of the school were strongly founded on a rocky surface. For all my hard work, the state government has awarded me with the State Best Teacher Award, and later on, the Government of India too honored me with one of the best teachers of the country with the National Best Teacher Award, the most coveted and prestigious award that I received from the golden hands of our former President of India, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, it was really a pride moment to back the national coveted Best Teacher Award. Now, for us, it is a mission. Every child that is entrusted to our care is given individual attention. The best possible education, the quality education available in any part of the country is provided to our children at the doorstep of the parent. We ensure not only on academic excellence, every child is properly guided, advised to be strong mentally, fit physically, and above all that, apart from the academic excellence each child is given, the character building aspect is a very important essence of our philosophy, that at the end of their 12th standard school final, every parent is to feel very happy and proud that the decision that I took to admit my child was really good. We nourish and nurture every child to that extent. So, we have the teachers, team of dedicated teachers, they do the rest of the work under my leadership. I'm really so happy to see that I'm able to really help and guide the teachers to be a useful citizen of our country, to take up leading positions, leadership positions, the days to come. So that's all for me. So rest is yours. You will get the complete details that you will look for when you visit, when you travel through our website. Thank you.